Checking the futures, all green on a screen. And again, everybody's wondering what's going to happen with the NASDAQ, in particular, one stock that I'll talk about with Mark Mahaney, who joins me now. Mark, let me talk about Amazon with you, but I just want to mention that you had a price, you raised your price target. Is that because of what you saw yesterday, or had you been planning to do that anyway?
No. It's because of what I saw yesterday, David. And happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Let's see here. Amazon, this was an AWS inflection quarter. You know, they should change the ticker from AMZN to AWS because that's what matters more than anything else to this stock. But, you know, you finally had a breakthrough. You had this reacceleration in growth up to about 20%. That's the number that even the most bullish of bulls thought was unlikely to get, but that's what they wanted to see, and they got it. And the rest of the business is doing fine. The retail business is showing these expanding margins. Advertising revenue for them is like $60 billion a year. That's staying above 20% year-over-year growth. So this is one of those inflection point quarters, and I think you're going to have a lot of people still coming in to buy the stock. This remains our number one pick.
And by the way, you had 280 as your target. Now it's 335. I think I got it right.
That's right.
Meta. Let's talk about Meta because you've lowered your expectations, your target expectations there from 930 to 875, I believe, correct?
That's right. So the core business is doing great. I mean, their advertising business grew about 25% year over year. It's the fastest advertising platform on the planet at that scale. It's really impressive. But this company is leaning aggressively into superintelligence. I'm not exactly sure I'm smart enough to know what superintelligence is. I just know that they're spending a lot of money on it. So their capital expenditures are rising, their operating expenses are rising, and the market is sort of giving them a pause on this. It's like we don't know what that end market really looks like, and we don't know whether you're going to be one of the winners of it. So we're going to take a pass on the stock for a while. I understand the market reaction to that. I think you can wait a while on this stock, but it's still long term. They used AI to improve their core business. They're probably going to figure out superintelligence.
Mark, only 10 seconds on Google, where you've raised your expectations a little bit.
You know, this is a great week for tech stocks generally, and they're performing exceptionally well. Acceleration in almost every segment: search, YouTube, cloud. You got to stick with Google.
Okay, and you've gone from 300 as your target to 325. Mark Mahaney, great stuff, my friend.